Hello.
Hello, peeps.
Good to see everybody this morning. Happy to be here. Diane and Randall Breaux. We are here, your local real estate team, husband and wife. We used to be boyfriend, girlfriend. No. But yeah, now we're just
Yeah,
all
now we're just ball and chain. You know
ball
how it
and chain.
is.
Almost 40 years.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's
Here
okay.
with another tip for you. This is sort of a tangential real estate thing. So
Yeah.
you see these different styles come in and out. One of the had to have things in the past were the deep garden tubs,
And
right?
jacuzzi
With the
tubs.
jacuzzi tub.
Yeah.
Oh, God, yeah, but not only am my tub gonna make me clean, but it's gonna make me feel relaxed and invigorated and all that with the jets. And now they've stopped doing that. The tubs are they're kind of dying. You don't see them as much
You don't see them
anymore.
too much. People want big, huge walk-in showers.
Yeah, or big tubs. They stand with the tubs with the feet. We're seeing some
Oh
of that
yeah,
too.
yeah, yeah.
You
So,
know,
but what we found is something we learned. I didn't even know this,
yeah.
but if you have a jetted tub to keep it in good operating condition, you should every month run a little bit of bleach and or vinegar and or
No,
like
not and. You can't put vinegar and bleach at the
I
same time.
didn't. I said and or.
Yeah, and or.
That's
Just say
right.
or.
Or.
You can't say don't do and.
Yeah. Don't you
If you
can't.
put
Okay.
bleach, if
Oh
you
my
put
God.
bleach and vinegar, you will release
Do
chlorine gas and
not.
kill yourself.
Yeah. Do not combine
Do
it.
not combine it.
I'm
So don't do
saying.
and or, just do
Yes.
or was my point.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, there it is. So you
I'm gonna
could do,
punch him in the throat
yeah, go ahead.
right now.
Please do it. The you can do bleach about a half cup. You can do vinegar about 2 cups. Again, don't throw them together.
Not
Or you can
together.
do dishwashing detergent. Don't do regular detergent, or your bathroom will fill with suds. But just I would do vinegar. I do a couple of things of vinegar, and then run it for about 30 minutes, and then drain it, and then fill it with cold water, and run that for about 30 minutes, and drain it. Done. The vast majority of people don't use their jetted tubs because they get dirty, and then when you turn them on, all this gunk comes out,
Right.
and then they stop. And people don't want the tubs anymore because
It's
they get
gross.
dirty. It's gross. They're so easy to clean.
It's just maintenance.
It's just maintenance.
yeah. So we learned this. Have we done it yet? No, but I think it's a great idea.
Yeah,
I'm excited to try it.
yeah. She still hasn't done it, but yeah,
But I have the knowledge, and
yeah,
knowledge is power, my friends.
yeah.
You know
The
that.
power to take action.
That's right. So I will do it, and it keeps your jets in great operating condition without that nasty stuff floating in
Yeah.
there when you do use it.
Remember the first time you got into a jetted deep tub?
Yeah.
How wonderful that
Yes.
was. Bring that back into your life. We need to put these jetted tubs back on the map because they've got a bum rap.
They do.
Yeah,
They do.
just a little bit of vinegar.
So we didn't know this, and we had a good
Yeah.
friend. He's like, "Yeah, you just maintain it's super clean," and I'm
Yeah.
like, "Oh wow, did not know this." So we just thought we'd throw this out there to
Yeah.
you. If you've
Honestly,
got jetted tubs,
Yeah, next time we have a listing with a jetted tub, we'll have to go over and do that because sometimes the inspectors will turn on the jets.
Oh,
and say,
yeah.
"Ooh," So yeah, you got to do that.
it can be scary.
It can be really scary.
So anyway, just thought we'd pass on that helpful tip.
Yeah.
It's not fun, it's not sexy, but it is helpful.
Well, jetted tubs can be sexy.
Okay. Not when they're dirty.
Not when they're dirty.
No.
No, there's nothing sexy about
No,
that.
then you're jumping out. Ah! I got to get out of here. I can't
Yeah.
do it.
Well,
Yeah,
that's gross, yeah.
exactly. So, anyway, hope this is helpful to you out there listening. If you have a jetted tub, get out there and take care of it.
That's exactly
So-
right. That's our tip of the day. If
Yes.
you like tips, there's a place to go. It's called pickle411.com. That is our free information site. Whether you're a buyer, seller, somewhere in between, there's information waiting for you that will amaze, astound, educate, and inform. Oddly enough, we have information that will inform you, and it'll do other things to you. I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah. So write us and let us know what our free information site does to you. Because we're looking for more ways to describe it. But one way we
gosh.
always describe it is it's free.
It
It's
is free.
absolutely
Yes.
free. You
So-
can send us money if you want, but you don't have to because it's free.
All right, my friends. Thank you for reaching out, and I hope that this is helpful to you. And we look forward to hearing from you soon, hopefully. All right, take care. Bye.
Bye.